Hi everyone and welcome. I hope everyone is doing well at this time. Today I'm going to show you my process of making pancake art as well as 4 simple designs you can do for Easter. First, in a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then give this a good whisk. Set this aside, and in another bowl, add 3 cups of milk. Add 4 eggs. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now give it a good whisk. There's an egg yolk in there that doesn't want to break. There we go. Next, add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And stir it really well. To a wooden spoon or any kind of spoon, and you can give it another stir. After you stirred it really well and removed most of the lumps, you can now add water to thin this out. Since we are going to put it in a squeeze bottle, we need this to be thin enough to squeeze it through. I added about half a cup to this recipe. Now you're going to divide your batter into separate bowls. You'll need as many bowls as the colors you want. I'm going to use 7 colors. So now I have my Wilton food coloring, and I have it in leaf green, yellow, lemon yellow, violet, and royal blue, and black, and then rose. And I chose these colors because they're Easter type of colors. So let's get started. I'm using the Wilton food dye, but you can use any food dye that you have on hand. So now I'm going to mix my pink. I have some food dye here. You can alternatively use a toothpick. When you're done, set this aside. Then go ahead and mix your other colors. Now, using a container with a spout, you're going to fill your batter into that container and then pour it into each of your squeeze bottles. So now we're ready to do our pancake art. I'll let you guys enjoy this without me talking. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care and be well on your journey to home sweet home.